What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? Although the technology available to me has enabled me to create and make it easier in the process, I have learnt that technology is not always trustworthy, and if the technology is not used properly, mistakes can be made. I have learnt that the importance of backing up work, such as Word documents, which I use for writing the body copy of my double-page spread, as if work is only saved in one place, there is the possibility that it could be lost due to the hard drive becoming corrupt. This is also applies with Web 2.0 applications such as online blogs, as halfway through the creating of my blog, the site Posterous declared that it was shutting down. Therefore, I had to move my blog to a new site. On the other hand, I have used Web 2.0 to my advantage during the making of my project with the help of several websites, including the online blogging site WordPress, which allows me to present all my project work in one portfolio. Furthermore, I have been able to gain a greater knowledge of how to use websites. For example, I can now embed videos from YouTube onto websites, such as my blog, using the embed code. I was able to use the website SurveyMonkey to construct a questionnaire so my peers could give feedback for my magazine ideas, whereas before I would have created a questionnaire myself on word processor, which slows down the process. The website Prezi for creating presentations which were up to professional standards, whereas before I would use PowerPoint, which gave presentations an amateur look, and the website Bubbleless for representing my qualitative answers to my questionnaires. When using cameras, if I had taken better photos, they wouldn't need to be manipulated in Photoshop. However, from my process, from the preliminary task to the final project, I have learnt how to take better photos after conducting 3 photo shoots and with the help of teachers. I have learnt that the more lighting there is when taking the picture, the better, as if the picture needs to be darkened, it can be manipulated on Photoshop. Other new technologies I have learnt how to use during the process of constructing my product are scanners, which allowed me to upload my flat plans to my blog, non-linear editing software such as Windows Movie Maker, which helped me to create this video, and the program CamStudio, which helped me to create the upcoming representation of my Photoshop skills. I have also learnt how to use Photoshop and InDesign from before having no experience with either program. First of all, I will show you how I can manipulate an image to make it black and white and to resize it on Photoshop. Next, I will show you how I can change the colour of text using the dropper tool, add a stroke to it, change the font and size, and add a drop shadow to it on Photoshop. Next, I will show you how to add a shape to a project on Photoshop. Finally, I will show you how to get rid of unwanted blemishes using the lasso tool and whiten teeth on Photoshop.